Old Celtic Farmer here. As you can tell, I was talking about Old Celtic Farmer, or I should say Phantom Wolf, versus the Possum. When we bought this place, there was an outbuilding. And the outbuilding was built by an old army cook. Him and his sister lived together. And he built a processing building around this tree stump. And he basically used it for meat processing. Well, what I did is I went ahead and I cordoned it off for my chickens and rabbits and stuff like that. But unfortunately now this possum cannot get to my chickens. It's all fenced off and gated. But this possum has moved in right underneath of this stump. I don't know if you can see the hole there. And I tried one of my live traps, and this possum is kind of picky. It just does not want to go in there, so I can take it someplace else and set it free. So now Old Celtic Farmer is going to have to use his brain. He's going to get a little bit smarter. And maybe, in all honesty, that trap is too small. So I went ahead and I took one of my bigger chicken cages, and as you can tell, I've laid it over on its side, fastened the bottom securely, and I put a bungee cord on the bottom inside to snap it shut, and I put a bungee cord on top to kind of hold it open, but there's still more weight pulling down. And I took myself a rat trap. I don't know if you can see that carefully there, but that rat trap, I drilled a hole in this rat trap, ran a string down, and I put myself some dog food and some sardines and stuff on there. And so when that little possum comes up there and he steps on that, it triggers the rat trap. The rat trap opens up, lets these plastic forks loose, cage door drops down, and I've got a little slide PVC pipe that'll lock right into that piece of wire right down there. And I'm going to try to catch this little critter and take it back out to the wild. Stay tuned. There's always something around the Old Celtic Farmer and Phantom Wolf, who always is coming up with all sorts of traps and snares. You'll probably see this on the Phantom Wolf website under cherrus.com. That's C-H-E-R-R-U-S. That's cherrus.com, C-H-E-R-R-U-S. It'll be listed under the Phantom Wolf foraging area. So stay tuned and you'll see the end results whenever we catch this little critter. Y'all have a blessed day.